Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you change your Google Ads keywords over to exact match? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change your keywords over to exact match anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business using Google Ads, you know that sometimes if you use phrase match or broad match, Google Ads is going to match you up with searches that just sometimes aren't relevant. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads account, and this is the homepage. Now here on the homepage, if you want to go ahead and switch your keywords over to exact match, here on the left side, you're going to click on campaigns. Once you do that, up here on the top, you're going to go ahead and choose the campaign you want to switch over to exact match. Once you do that, you're going to hover over campaigns on the left, and then you're going to click on this button here, audiences, keywords, and content. And then when you click on it, it's going to open up and you want to click on keyword. You can see this is an old campaign I was running for a client years ago, and they used to have something called broad match modifier. So if you want to go ahead and switch these over to exact match in Google Ads, what you're going to do is go ahead and choose the keyword you want to switch over. You can do it one by one, or if you want all of them, just click on this box here at the top and then click on select all. Once you do that, you're going to click on edit. Once you click on edit, you're going to click here on change match types, and then click on change all match types. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this little drop down menu. Once you open it up, you're going to click on exact match. Once you do that, you want to click on apply. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to change your Google Ads keywords over to exact match, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.